Alright, this is for anyone else using Bona Intense Seal. So we are refinishing probably about 50, 60-year-old floors in here, and when we put it down, the wood was dry. We ran into the problem where when we put it down, it sucked up so much it became uneven. So we think we probably should have, on the first coat, laid a much thicker amount so that way it would have absorbed more evenly, but we were worried about pitting. So what we're thinking now is we've abraded, we're going to do a second coat of Bona, and hopefully that will clear up any of this lines that we see. One thing that we're thinking probably would have helped these horizontal lines not show up is instead of laying it down flat and pulling forward, we should have used a T-bar and put it out. Currently we used a roller, and the unevenness, so we have some lighter areas, some darker areas, just depending on how much we were spreading out our lines. So if y'all are doing this and you know any way to help, we're going to be finished. So put it in the comments to help someone else. More examples right here of where we were putting it down, and wherever we laid out the bead that we were going to pull, even though we were doing it on the wet area, it still soaked in extra and caused these lines that are going across our grain. Alright, so this time we're going back and forth with the grain.
Yeah. So I guess you're doing up along these edges like this.
Yep.
Maybe this edge over here a little bit. Secret ingredient. It doesn't matter what I do, it just keeps dripping.
Back feathering definitely working.
It is or is it not?
Working.
Hopefully. Oh, we still have some in here.
Yeah, it definitely seems as though the sealer is keeping it any more from penetrating in, and the penetrating in was what was causing that color change.
Yeah.
But I think it did even it up a lot more. Maybe that's just the shine, but also once we put the clear coat on, that shine should help too, probably.
Yeah.
And an area rug.
In a wall-to-wall area rug.
You know, that's what you do. You get a nice
TNT flooring, wall-to-wall area rugs. After we screw up your hard floor finish.
You know, in the 70s they put down carpet. Now in the 2000s you just put down an area rug.
Yeah.